Got your Klarna account started but need to finish verifying it? In this video, I'll walk you through the quick and essential process of verifying your identity to unlock your full spending power. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Account verification is a standard security step, and getting it done is smooth and simple. Let's get your account fully activated. First, know that verification is mandatory. To use Klarna's Pay Later services, they need to confirm your identity. This protects both you and them from fraud. The process usually starts automatically. After you provide your basic details during sign-up, Klarna will often run a soft credit check and then prompt you for more information. You might need to provide your full legal name, date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your social security number. Sometimes, they might need a little more. If they require further verification, you'll get a notification in the app. This could mean you need to upload a photo of your driver's license or a passport. Don't worry, it's secure. The Klarna app uses encryption to keep your documents safe. Here's how to do it. Open the Klarna app and go to your account or profile section. Look for any notifications or alerts, often marked as Action Needed or Verify Your Identity. Follow the on-screen instructions to take a clear, well-lit picture of your ID. Make sure all 4 corners are visible. After you submit, be patient. Verification can be instant, or it might take a short while for a team member to review your documents. You'll get a confirmation in the app once you're fully verified and your spending limit is set. And that's it. A fully verified Klarna account means more shopping flexibility. If this guide got you verified, hit that like button. Run into any issues during verification? Share your experience in the comments so we can help each other out. Subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more straightforward financial guides. Thanks for watching.